They've just worked hard. They're gracious. They're appreciative of their coaches and their fans. They're great role models. I just wanted to have a chance to say thank you to them.
From seeing them in the last Winter Games and then now making their comeback and how many medals they won this time around, and being from London too, and I'm a proud Londoner to be able to connect with them in that way.
We've been thinking about this moment being back home since we won, so to bring the gold medals back, it's feeling unbelievable. So we haven't come down off Cloud 9, as we kept saying, and even though we haven't slept in probably 3 or 4 days, we don't need it anymore.
Yeah, what a warm welcome to come home to, and we felt this love and support when we were over there in Korea. We knew we weren't alone on the ice, and to get home and see everyone and share in the celebration, it's really special.
I think we understand a little bit more what it means to represent Canada, wear the flag on our back, and it was a special month for Tess and I. Just being a part of that team again was our whole goal, and to be able to have the 4 skates kind of our lives and bring home two Olympic golds for this country and for our communities, it's pretty huge.
How do you come down from the high of the last few weeks?
Do we have to?
Yeah, exactly.
No.
We're going to have to. I don't know. That's a great question.
We've loved training in Montreal for the past years, but we really haven't made it back home very often, so it'll be nice just to have some quiet moments, and I'm sure some champagne will come out, but yeah, just good to debrief and catch up with our teams.
I got the Golden Cup right here.
Sweet. Did you get both on the side?
Yep, they're both on there.
Are you going to roll up the rim?
No.
No?
I don't want to know. It's a winner for sure.
You've already won.
I've already won, yeah.